All right, what we're going to do here today is we're going to take off the window switch 03 to 06 Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, all that good stuff. So yeah, so pretty much these window switches right here, they have a screw on the underside right here that if you just pry up on this, it'll break that. It'll break the mount on the front, and you won't be able to screw it back on, and it will be sloppy. There's also a clip back here, but I'm going to show you what you have to do in order to get this off without destroying it. All right, so first things first, we got to take off the mirror cover. All right, second, what I do, I take off the lock cover. Then what I do, I take off the pull handle, the door handle cover. These all just have clips. That's it, nothing crazy. I also take off the courtesy light. And on the courtesy light, you don't want to pry from this side, because this side right here has two tabs that kind of slide in this way to hold this side on. You're going to want to pry on this side, small screwdriver, just like that. And that right there, I actually sell these courtesy lights, and I sell these pigtails separate. So what I'll do, I'll just cut this. All right. So now that you've got the courtesy light out, you got the door handle cover off, lock cover off, mirror cover off, you take a 7mm. All right here, you take a 7mm, take the screw out that's by the lock cover. Then there's a hidden screw underneath the pull handle, all 7mm. All right, take them screws out. Then what you want to do is pull up, and that'll slide. See, they got sliders back here, and they slide in those grooves right there. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut these because I sell the wiring harnesses as well. Obviously you can't cut them because you're going to be putting it back together, but I'll show you the clips, I mean the harness there. Alright, so there's your harness, plain and simple. You know, push this, push, they slide out real easy. They slide out very easily. Alright, so now what you want to do is right there. That is the tab, the screw that goes up into the tab that's on this bezel here. You just want to take, and you got to do it kind of easy because it breaks. That little tab on that switch breaks very easily. All right, so now that now that screw is out and your door panel's off, what I do, let's try to, where are you? Pry up on the back side. So you pry it up on the back side, you got the back clip all off. Then what I do, is I push out. It's hard one-handed here, sorry. There we go. All right. There is, where are you? There's that tab. Come on, focus right there. There's that tab that always breaks when you just try to pry them off. There's the back tab. So I usually sell these. I have them quite often. I'll put a link to my store in the comments below. We sell cold climate interior parts because we're from Maine. And hopefully this video helped. If it does, share it, like it. If you know an easier way, comment, help everybody else out. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this helped. Thank you for watching.